Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: an AWS account, an IAM user with programmatic keys, and a role that allows SageMaker, Ecker, or Lambda actions. Next, package your model artifacts. Saved weights are requirements. TXT listing exact versions, and an entry script that loads the model and serves predictions. Once done, pick the deployment target based on latency and cost: SageMaker for managed endpoints, Fargate for containerized services, or Lambda for lightweight, event-driven inference. Now you build and validate the runtime. Author a Docker file using a stable Python base, install dependencies, copy model files, and expose the inference port. Build the image locally and run quick integration tests with known inputs to catch runtime issues. Once tests pass, tag and push the image to Amazon ECR. Make sure the execution role has ECR pull and logging permissions. Finally, create or update your deployment manifest, ECS task definition, or SageMaker model config, so AWS can launch the container with the proper resources. Deploy the service and run end-to-end validation. Invoke the endpoint with realistic payloads, measure latency, and verify outputs. Monitor CloudWatch logs, CPU/GPU usage, memory, and request errors so you can tune auto-scaling and instance types. If something fails, first inspect logs for stack traces, then confirm IAM permissions and container start commands. Next, check resource limits and input schema mismatches. Make incremental fixes, redeploy, and rerun tests until stable. Then set up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.